Well guys, I'm here for a very auspicious occasion. I'm here with Roger Fagan from Cub Campers. Now Roger, you're celebrating a very auspicious occasion, the 50 years of Cub Campers. I mean, that's what a milestone, that's just amazing.
I'm very proud of the fact that we're manufacturing still in Australia. We've got so many factories that are closing up. So the question is, why have we lasted? Well, I believe it's because we've got customer satisfaction. We obviously build a good product.
Take me back for a second, Roger, back 50 years ago, how did it all come about?
Well, 50 years ago, my father bought a business called Cub Trailers. So there was a shed at the back, and I knew how to weld. So I said, well, look, Dad, why don't I start welding the trailers up, which I did. Yeah. Then I put a canopy on them, and that was the first camper.
that's how it all came about.
And then we had evolution from that. And to compete on price, we've had to put in extremely sophisticated computerised machinery, and we've spent millions of dollars on that, and that's helped us be competitive. And the big advantage of this sort of machinery is not only is it so efficient, it's so accurate. So the big feature of Cub Campers really is we use Australian canvas and Australian steel, and there's no way in the world I'd use imported steel, and I thoroughly test all the campers because we have a duty of care. You can't let a camper customer take the product out in the outback unless we've thoroughly tested it.
So Roger, I guess one of the things that Cub's famous for is ease of setup. Tell us a little bit about that.
I developed what's called the Easy Wind system using a winch with gas struts. And that's revolutionised the ease of putting up and down, so that the grey nomads now can extend for 5 or 6 years their touring, which is great because it's so effortless. And that's a big feature. We still believe that the Cubs are the easiest of all the campers on the market to set up.
Now, a matter close to your heart. Some years ago, I remember coming to see you when you'd just launched the Guild. Tell me why you did that and why it's so important to you.
I'm very proud about the fact that we manufacture in Australia. And unfortunately, when some of the imports started to come in, the salesmen were very careless with the truth, and they were saying, you know, made in Brisbane or made in Adelaide, because the container was unloaded there. And I thought, in order to educate the customer so they know exactly where the product is made, I formed the Australian Manufactured Camper Trailer Guild.
But what do you think Cub is still here and still going to
Well, I think customer satisfaction. We've always looked after our customers well, and very often customers have bought 2 and 3 Cubs. So it's that loyalty that's helped us a lot because we've built a good product.
For you guys at home, if you want to check out Cub Campers for yourself, and you should, just visit cubcampers.com.au. They've got 15 great dealers around the country. You can see them at pretty much most of the caravan shows as you go around. And why not support Australian made? We think you should. And thanks very much, Roger, and congratulations, mate.
Thank you.
Good on you.